It should first be noted that protocols are synonymous with standards, which are synonymous with layers, and they can be used interchangeably. While seemingly dry, understanding protocols used in the Internet of Things is strategic, because protocols are the root of standards. Standards drive networking, the software that moves the data from the edge to the core. Protocols have grown as independent silos in IoT, or more specifically, OT protocols have grown as independent silos because they've been developed individually for each of the industries they serve. Networking evolved from first SneakerNet, and that was where people would walk up to the instrumented machines, look at the displays, write it on a clipboard, and then move on to the next one. This then extended to M2M, or machine-to-machine communication, which is more like an intranet with their own proprietary protocols. This was the problem area, and this today remains the problem area for integrating IoT from sensor to cloud. There are 3 protocols, maybe 4. They are the media layer, the network layer, the application layer, and the meta layer. It's important not to conflate the protocols or layers or standards. There is more than one IoT protocol. It's important to understand each layer, their interdependence from each other, and how they all work together to deliver data, the lifeblood of every IoT product.